Yessy fam. Today we're going to be trying our new RC car. First, I got a change.
And I got this controller.
Who's gonna go first?
Me.
Yeah?
Me.
Okay. Dude. Hey. What are you trying to get? Huh?
Hi guys, it's me and it's Mommy. Today I'm going to show you our RC car that we have.
She wants to show you guys the box.
Oh yeah, I also know which car we got. It's this one.
Yeah, in the box. What is it called? Hailstorm.
Hailstorm.
And it's a 4-wheel.
It's almost like a bad word, Ma.
Hail drive. Alright, so this RC car is a 4-wheel drive and it's splash proof. Not waterproof, but splash proof. So if your grass is a little wet, you know, you're gonna be protected, you'll be fine. It is also electric, so you charge your RC car before you go and use it.
It's for wheel drive.
Do you think it was a fast? You dropped the box. Do you think it was fast? Did you like it?
Yeah. It was super fast. You could turn it fast and it could go back.
You can go backwards too.
So let's go and play with it. And
we hope you guys
like and subscribe to our channel.
Yay!
Oh yeah, first I'm going to show you something really special that we have. Leon, come. Say hi, video. Hi.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Alright, bye guys.